In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show tab groups in the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Brave, Opera, and Vivaldi. If you've ever created a tab group and then noticed it disappears after closing it, this is exactly what you need to fix that. This is a super useful feature if you want quick access to your saved tab groups without having to recreate them every time. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and create a tab group. You can do this by right-clicking on any tab and selecting Add Tab to New Group. Give your group a name and color if you'd like, and then add a few tabs into that group so you can clearly see it working. Now, once your tab group is created, go ahead and close it by clicking also the group name. You'll notice something important here. After closing the tab group, it doesn't automatically appear in your bookmarks bar. This is where most people get confused because the group exists, but it's not visible for quick access. So here's how to fix that. Go to your bookmarks bar at the top of your browser, then right-click anywhere on the bookmarks bar. In the menu that appears, look for an option called Show Tab Groups. Click on that option to enable it. As soon as you do this, your saved tab groups should now appear directly in the bookmarks bar, making them easy to reopen anytime with just one click. Now, if you still don't see your tab groups after enabling that setting, don't worry, there's one more step. Go to the top right corner of your browser and click on the three dots menu. From there, look for an option related to tab groups. Depending on your browser, it may be labeled slightly differently, but you should see something like tab groups in the menu. Click on that, and then make sure the option that says Pin Tab Group to Bookmarks bar is enabled. Once this is turned on, your tab groups will be pinned and visible in the bookmarks bar for quick access at any time. This works across Chrome, Edge, Brave, Opera, and Vivaldi, although the exact wording might be slightly different depending on the browser version you're using. And that's it. You've now learned how to show and pin your tab groups in the bookmarks bar so you can access them instantly without losing your workflow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.